found link between the use of plastic and the human health problem. Cancer, heart diseases, hormonal problems, even infertility.
There is a BPA-free products also, right? How do you know that plastic does this?
The color has changed. It has reacted with the food. So are you aware about the food safe plastic? Why?
It's cheap.
Exactly. And you won't believe it, within 1 year she was able to conceive.
Wow. How about the stainless steel? It's just a metal, right?
Below, they have clearly specified that it is food safe stainless steel.
What is that? 18 by 10. It's like a mathematics.
Hi Sindhu, come, I'm in the kitchen.
Hey, hi.
Hi.
Hey, what are you doing?
Doing Diwali cleaning. Diwali's around the corner.
Very nice.
Have a banana. You don't eat nowadays. No? Look at you.
Thank you for the banana.
You're welcome.
Hey, why are you changing this?
I'm replacing it with steel containers.
Oh.
Yeah.
But this all looks so new here.
Yes. You know what? We are not traveling this time. And neither we are spending by eating out. So thought might as well do some changes around the kitchen because this was always on my priority list to shift from plastic to steel containers.
That's okay, but you can wash it and use it, no?
Oh boy, you're asking a lot of questions. We'll sit and talk, okay?
Okay, boss.
So, we'll sit.
Okay, boss. Tell me now.
What?
About the steel containers.
Oh, sorry, I forgot. Anyway, you know what? For the past few weeks, I was reading some articles, and in those articles, it was written that they have found link between the use of plastic and the human health problems.
Health problems?
Yes. Are you aware of a particular material named as BPA?
Yes, I heard of.
Yeah. So BPA is basically bisphenol A. It is a chemical which is used for hardening plastic. Now, this BPA is extremely harmful and it is known for causing cancer, heart diseases, hormonal problems, even infertility.
Infertility issues.
Yes, it's really alarming.
There is a BPA-free product available in market, right?
Exactly. But then there is a study which also shows that even though it is BPA free, there are still chances of leaching into your food. So when you know that there are chances, so why to use it?
How do you know that plastic does this?
Wait, I'll show you something. See this spoon? This spoon I've been using in my masala container for a very long time. See the color and the thickness.
Yes.
The color has changed. It has reacted with the food. Imagine, it has gone into our system. This is really, strange. Also, are you aware about the food safe plastic?
No,
No?
it's new.
Okay. Wait, I'll show you something. This is a box which I've been using for a very long time. At the back, they have specified a symbol, cutlery symbol. This means that it is food safe plastic. The problem is, this plastic has so much ingrained into our life that we just can't imagine life without it. Yeah? Look at around your house, look at the toys, look at the chairs.
Because plastic is easily available, cheap,
Correct.
and low maintenance.
I'll tell you a very interesting incident. A friend of mine, she was having problem in conceiving, but she made a lot of lifestyle changes, including this change from plastic to stainless steel. And you won't believe it, within 1 year, she was able to conceive.
Wow.
It was like magic. Of course, she was very determined, but then this works on your health. So, start doing the change now.
That's alarming, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. I accept this plastic is not safe for our health. But how about the stainless steel? It's just a metal, right?
Correct.
It will also leach chemical into our body, right?
I'll show you something. Come in the kitchen.
So,
See, the stainless steel does not leach as much chemicals as plastic does. Now, these type of containers you can easily use for storing your masalas, pulses, and these are easily available in the market also.
yes.
But when it comes to cooking, you have to be very careful. You have to see the grade of the steel.
What is the grade?
Wait, I'll show you 2 containers. Now this kadhai, No, this I bought just few months back, and within one use, see the condition.
Must.
So nothing is specified below what quality of steel it is. It's not a good quality. This karai, this vessel I've been using for a very long time, and below they have clearly specified that it is food safe stainless steel, where to use, how to use. It's a high quality stainless steel, and it is intact for a very long time.
That's good. New information.
Yes. Also, the grade, is basically, it should be SS304 or SS316 of a composition of 18 by 10 or 18 by 8.
What is that? 18 by 10. It's like a mathematics.
So 18 by 8 and 18 by 10 is just the composition of chromium and nickel, percentage of chromium and nickel. Lesser the nickel, better the steel. There are also utensils in the market which claim to be 0% nickel, but they are very expensive.
Oh.
Yes, so it's a good quality stainless steel. Also, the best part of stainless steel, it's less maintenance. It's very durable. It's inert. It does not react with your acidic food, which involves use of tomato, tamarind, your sambar.
These are staple food.
Yes. So stainless steel is much safer.
That's good. Too much information. Hey, why are you taking this?
Because I know what you're going to ask me.
Okay, boss. Now tell me. Okay, stainless steel, I accept it's a good option. But what about the aluminium, indium, non-stick cookwares which we are using on a daily basis?
Yes. Even I am guilty. If you like the information that we have shared with you, then please do share it to the maximum and subscribe to our channel. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.